So hi everyone, welcome back to our episode today, and this is something special. We have a visitor that's coming, bringing this 2 unit of mower, and we have another mower here, and his name is Metin.
Hi.
And this is Janos, his son. He's very good on following his dad's step
Come on,
and
start it with him.
trying to pull the his hair. Hey, okay, pull the mower. Great. So we have this mower here, which he said that he cleaned the mower, and after that, after cleaning, it doesn't start. So today we're going to demonstrate, or I'll guide him through the troubleshooting and repair of this unit. And the other unit also, he bought it from eBay for $20, which is a really nice one. It's a Victa Super Quiet V40 2-stroke. Well, he claimed this one, and also really good one, and it's working fine. So the other one, which is his dad gave it to him, and the problem with this one is this one is broken, and oh, don't put it in. Yeah, give me that one. So I think, and I believe this is not a problem for not starting. Don't put it in. It will be difficult to take it out. So because this is just for the air going through the engine, so this one shouldn't be the problem to start the engine. So we'll try to find other problem why the engine is not working. So first is we're going to test the spark, if there's a spark. Okay, let's try to start the engine. Yeah, there's a spark, but it's very faint, very tiny spark. Possibly won't be enough to start the engine. So we'll try to remove the spark plug and replace the spark plug. You want to start mowing? Okay. Okay, we are going to replace the spark plug. Do you want to replace the spark plug?
Can you pass me the tool,
Like
please,
your dad,
Jonas?
just to pass it to your dad.
Thank you. There you go.
And we have the new one.
We're gonna put the new one in.
Is it working now?
Yeah, it should works now.
Give it a pull.
Give it a pull. Okay.
Connect that one.
Okay, so first is we need to replace also the spark plug boot cover. Okay, let's try start the engine. Okay, let's try start again.
Is it working?
So I think it's working good, except that the only thing is when you replace the snorkel, and it should work fine.
Yeah, we need to change the tune.
Yeah. So I can see that the only problem is the spark plug, and also you need to change
lawnmower is
the
fixed.
snorkel.
Are you happy about that?
Yeah.
Are you gonna start cutting
Jonas, what do you think about the lawnmower? All good?
Do you like it?
So your grandpa passed this mower to your dad, and your dad want to pass this mower to you. You like it? You have to keep this one for another couple of years to come, right?
He wants to start mowing.
Yeah. And just look after, make sure that you have the two-stroke oil to keep it going for a number of years, right?
Come and cut the grass. Want to cut it?
So this another mower, which is the V40, doesn't have the fuel in it, and this one should work with the fuel. And do you have the fuel
I do.
with you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. Let's try to fill this one with fuel, and let's see. Fuel line was not connected yet, so I think I removed the fuel line, so that's fine. As long as there's no open flame or ignition or spark nearby the leak fuel, should be fine.
Okay, let's start this. Move, please.
So my advice is, especially when you're working with mowers, especially when you have kids around, while you're working with mowers, you make sure that this is really low, this side here on the bottom, so kids can accidentally get caught on the blade when it's spinning. So yeah, this one's working, and
Happy dad, happy son.
yeah.
Which lawnmower do you like? The red or the green?
The green.
Oh, okay.
You like the green?
Why do you like the green one?
Oh, the red one.
I think you don't need to buy some parts. Your mower is working. So later on, come back when you need some parts. We'll sell you some parts. But for now, I think you don't need anything. Just your mower is working fine, right?
Say thank you. Thank you. He's happy.
He's happy.
I'm happy too. Thank you so much for your help, for the diagnosis.
Okay, thanks for watching our today's picture special episode, and I hope you find it useful and informative. And get Metin to say something. What do you want to say?
I've always loved the two-stroke engines. I think they last a lifetime just as long as you maintain it and keep it clean. This was passed on by my father, and I'd like to pass it on to my son. He already has an interest in these machines. Come on, Eunice. Think about these lawnmowers. Which one's your favourite one? The green one? The green one. The red one wasn't working, and Uncle Joel, he fixed it. What are you going to say to Uncle? Thank you.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure to help everyone, and that's why I'm doing this YouTube channel, to show to everyone how to fix a lawnmower, and you can do it yourself. And well, if you have some parts you need, you may have some parts. But for now, this one, there's no parts for it. We broke this spark plug, and it's obvious that could be the spark plug. We'll replace the spark plug. It works fine. So thanks for watching, and see you next time for our next video. And this is special for today, and I'm not sure if I can produce content similar to this one. So
This is actually a pleasure for me. I came all the way from Liverpool.
yeah, he's driving away from all the way from Liverpool, which is took about 30 minutes drive. And this is his son can view this video for a number of years to come with his dad. So it's a pleasure for me to work with this boy and to see this beautiful family. And thanks for watching.
Thank you very much.
See you. Bye for now.